What's going on, guys? Today's guitar tutorial is for Senorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. This one's only got one strumming pattern for the entire song, so it's going to be pretty quick and easy to learn. If you're brand new to guitar, you're going to want to start with my complete beginner course right here. And if you want the fastest way to learn this song, then you can check out the bonus package also by clicking right here. So, pretty simple. You can hear the timing right there. Let's get started with the strumming pattern. So we're going to start on an A minor chord. So all you're doing for this one is you're playing the bass note, which is the lowest note of the chord, so the 5th string, and then strumming the whole chord. Then after that, you're going to mute the string with the side of your palm right there by just resting it on the strings to stop them from playing. And if you find the picking too tough, you can just strum the entire chord instead of playing that bass note. So there's a few ways to do that depending on whether you want to make it easier or harder for yourself. Once you got the strumming pattern down, all we're going to do is do that on a bunch of different chords. So we're going to start on the A minor. And then you're going to switch to C and do the exact same thing. From there, you're going to switch to F major 7, which is slightly different than our regular F, but it's actually easier because you don't have to bar anything. And then you're going to end on an E minor and a G. So you can see that the E minor and the G there are played for half as long as the rest of the chords. And if you can play that, you can play the entire song here. You can just use that exact same strumming pattern for the entire song. Now, one thing you can do if you want to play it a little bit more authentic to the actual song, and I actually find this easier to do, funny enough, is finger pick this one instead. So I know that's a little scary, but that's actually easier for a lot of people than straight up picking it. So basically, to finger pick this, we can do it the exact same thing, but we're with our thumb for the bass note, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers for the rest of the strings. Bass note, the next 3 strings. Then put your fingers down to mute it. And the exact same thing for the C. And then continue for the F major, E minor, and G. And you can follow the exact same timing as if you were playing with a pick, but you're just playing with your fingers instead. And with that, that's all you need to know to be able to play this entire song. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below. It really does make a difference. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to learn your favorite songs and guitar as fast as humanly possible. All right, there we go.